we have this question here, which reads, the line y equal to ax plus b is tangent to the curve, that equation there, at the point 2, 6 here. So we need to find the values of the constants a, b, and c there. So we have two lines here that we've been given. One is a straight line, then the other one is a curve there. So we have this one here, y equal to, so let me just do this. So we have y equal to ax plus b. Then we also have this curve here, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x plus c, like this here. And we've been taught to say that their point of contact is 2, 6 here, like this. So we can use 2, 6 here to get the value of c just from there. So we can just substitute. Where there's y, we put 6. Where there's x here, we put 2 there. So we know that this is our x and that's our y then. So now, if this line that we have here is tangent to the curve that we have this side, then they have one thing in common. At their point of contact, the gradient of this line is going to be equal to the gradient of this line here. And by definition, the gradient is just the difference in y with respect to the difference in x there. So meaning that here, if we differentiate this here with respect to x, we're going to equate to the derivative of this curve here with respect to x there. So meaning that here, dy dx this side, dy dx will be equal to a here when you differentiate this. Then this side as well, we differentiate the given function there. So dy dx here will be equal to power times coefficient, power minus 1, so that's going to be 6, x squared minus 10x minus 3, like this here. So let's say this is 1 and this is our equation 2 there. So now equating 1 and 2, so equating 1 and 2 there, we have a here will be equal to 6 x squared minus 10x minus 3, like this here. So where there's x here, we're going to substitute with a 2 there. So meaning that our a here will be equal to 6 2 to the power 2 minus 10 multiplied by 2 minus 3, like this here. So then we have our a here, it's going to be equal to this multiplied by this. We're simply going to have a 24 there, minus, that's going to be 20 minus 3, that's going to be 23 here. So meaning that our a here will be equal to 1, like that. So if a is equals to 1, we can find the value of b here. So we know that from the line, we have y equals to ax plus b. So where there's x, we're going to put a 2. Where there's y, we're going to put a 6. And where there's a here, we're going to substitute with a 1 here. So meaning that here we have 6 is equals to 1 multiplied by 2 plus b here. Sorry, okay. So therefore we have that b here will be equal to 6 minus 2, which will just be equal to 4, like this here. So now remember, we can still find, we also need to find the value of c there. So we go ahead, we know that we go back to the curve that we have there. So we have the curve on top there. So where we have y equal to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x plus c, like this here. So the point of contact is 2, 6. So meaning that here we can just substitute where there's y, we put 6. Where there's x here, we're going to put a 2 there. So meaning that we have 6 is equal to 2 open brackets 2 to the power 3 minus 5 2 to the power 2 minus 3 to here plus c, like this here. So we have a 6 equal to, so 2 to the power 3, that will be 8 multiplied by 2, that's 16, minus 2 to the power 2, that's 4 times this, we're going to get 20. Then this side here, this multiplied by this here, we're going to get minus 6, like this here. So then here we have our 6 is equal to 16 minus 26 here plus c, like this here. So this minus this, we're simply going to get Okay, so this is supposed to be 26 like this. Okay, so now this will give us 6 is equals to negative 10 plus c here, so we take the 10 the other side, so we're going to have c here will be equal to 6 plus 10, which will give us 16 like this here. Okay, so meaning that therefore a is equals to 1, b here is equals to 4, and c is equal to 16 like this here. Okay, sorry for the mix up somewhere there, but then the values a equal to 1, b equal to 4, and c equal to 16 like this here.